LA2. This is a box I've waited probably a year and a half for. And here is a laptop, more specifically a ThinkPad, from a friend over in Vancouver. So, let's unbox it and see. It doesn't appear to have been packed very securely, because that should not be happening, but yeah. For future reference, unpacking a computer, use bubble wrap if you can. Here it is. It is an IBM Thinkpad of some sort with a Harley Davidson sticker on it. Oh yeah, America. It's actually pretty nice. This is actually a pretty nice laptop. It appears to have a copper cooler in it. It's got PC card slots, Ethernet and modem, PS2 mouse port. Wow. USB, Kensington lock. On the back is a parallel port and the power thingy. And the battery, of course. VGA over here, and a DVD drive here that happens to be a DVD-ROM CD burner. And the hard drive, of course, is right in there. Now here's my question. Let me open this bugger up. Wow. This is actually in better condition than I imagined it would be. The keyboard looks pretty good, actually. Track point has good rubber on it. You can see there's been wear on the keyboard right there. But it doesn't seem to have worn it down a whole lot. So, alright. Now, what ThinkPad is this? No way. It's an R51. I know one of my viewers is going to appreciate that. IBM Thinkpad R51. So, my question is, what is in this machine for processor and everything? I like the look of it so far. It's got some smudges on it I need to clean off. Luckily, the computer is not all that dirty, so that's pretty cool. This is actually a really well-built laptop. It feels nice in the hand. What else here? Manufactured for Lenovo. Made in China. And there you go. Comes with an XP Pro COA. That's pretty cool. The battery looks like it's dented or something. Let me, yeah, the battery, yeah, it looks like it took a good hit on the battery there. Huh. Original battery, though. An IBM battery. So, that's pretty nice. Memory door is there. Hopefully she gave me the power cord with it. I hope she did. Yeah, she did. Sweet. So I got the original power adapter. She also sent me my badge. Look at that. Thank you. There we go. That's the flat rate box out of the way. Now let's actually try out this laptop. Just takes a regular IBM brick, which could do with some cleaning itself. It looks pretty grungy. So, let's plug it in and try it. Well, just plugged it in and it's taking a charge, so let's turn it on and see what happens. Let's get into the BIOS, which I think is F2. Oh, it's blue button. F1 for the BIOS utility. There we go. Let's see what's in this machine. Okay, so it's a Pentium M processor at 1.6 gigahertz. You know, I might be able to upgrade this, actually. Yeah, in my Dell Inspiron 6000, I have a 2.13 gigahertz Pentium M, so I could put that in here, actually, and use it that way. It has 256 megs of RAM. Jesus. No wonder this thing was all slow and disgusting. It needs much more RAM than that to be useful. Yeah. But all around, it looks like a really nice machine, so I have a feeling I'm going to really enjoy using it. Let's see, I think she reinstalled Windows. Yeah, she did. Excellent. This copy must be activated. Oh no. How about no? Yep, there we go. Pfft. Whatever. Anyway, I'll just, yeah, the computer appears to work. So I think what I'll do is I'll stick in a, a Linux USB stick and we can check out the hard drive to see its health. I've noticed that this battery light keeps flashing. I wonder if the battery is broken from that hit it took. I'm guessing it took that hit in shipping, maybe. I have no idea. But that's the only part that's busted, it seems, is the battery. You know what? Let's find out. I wonder if the battery even works. Just test it out. Nope, that battery is absolutely toast. I'll have to get a new one at some point. I think for now, I'll just take the battery out because it is actually physically damaged. So, at some point I'll get another battery for it. I'll just buy a used one or something because I think this one's just done. Whatever. Alright, I got Fedora working. Ubuntu didn't want to work for whatever reason. But luckily on that USB stick I also have Fedora 14, which is rather old, but it does work. So, let's log in here, check it out. It's loading crap off that USB stick, so it might take us time with us here. These hinges are kind of stiff on this laptop. It's a pretty nice machine, though. I mean, it's really well built. It's just the architecture of the Pentium M is a little bit long in the tooth, I guess. But yeah, it needs more RAM than this. It's just bogging along. Oh, brother. It has 256 megs of RAM in it, so it's, you know, by no means a powerhouse right now. I should probably put different RAM in it. Once we're done checking out the hard drive anyway. Well, it only has one RAM stick in it. I'm figuring that there's one stick on this side and one under the keyboard probably. That's a really stupid way to do it, but fine. But one thing I've noticed, for those of you that use IBM PS2s, there's still remnants of that in these newer ThinkPads. It still says planar right up there on that sticker. I guess old habits die hard, but there you go. I'm gonna stick a stick of RAM in there to make this a little bit faster boot up, so that we don't have to wait 10 minutes to look at the damn hard drive. So yeah, those bastards. That's what I thought. They hid the other stick of RAM under the keyboard. There you have it. Looks like a stick of DDR, I think. Let's take it out and find out. Ah, freaking keyboard cable's in the way. I gotta unplug that for a second and get the keyboard out of here. This out. See what it is. An IBM issued DIMM. Yeah, it's DDR3. It's PC 2700. I don't have any of this. I'm gonna have to buy some. Damn it. Well, that's a shame. Oh well. Here's a look inside of here. It looks like there's a DVD drive. There's your CPU. I'm going to be replacing that CPU with a faster one. There's your chipset. Either that, it's either the chipset or the graphics. Not sure which. But there you have it. I'm going to put this stick of RAM back in. And put the keyboard back in, because it looks like I'm going to have to buy RAM for this thing. I don't think I have any DDR lying around, so I'll just wait for it to start up and I'll show you what the status of the hard drive is. Well, I don't have the RAM to make Linux run properly, so I said screw it and just booted Windows into safe mode. So let's go into administrator. Alright, screams. Windows is running in safe mode. Yes. That's the idea. This does not run all that well in safe mode. Okay, there we go. It's a Pentium M, 1.6 gigahertz. XP Pro is on it. That's the COA on the bottom, so that makes sense. Let's go into Device Manager. It doesn't see anything because I'm in safe mode. But I just want to see how big the drive is. Ooh, Fujitsu. It appears that this thing uses a Fujitsu drive. That's awesome. That's sweet, man. Alright. Let's get out of here and go to my computer and see how big the disk is. Okay, it's a 30 gig disk, so... Okay. Yeah, we have a 30 gigabyte hard drive in here. I'm probably going to upgrade that too, since 30 gigs is not all that big. I'll probably put an 80 gig or so in here. I do have an 80 gig lying around somewhere, so I'll probably stick that in here as well as the processor and some more RAM as well. So far that's what I know is in this machine. I'll have to, I don't know, activate Windows or something, put the drivers on here and figure it all out. So there you have it. That is my new acquisition that I've been waiting about 1.5 years for. I finally got it. And this is the ThinkPad R51. Pretty nicely built machine. I'm pretty impressed with how nicely it is built. So you saw my trials and tribulations with just trying to show you the damn hard drive. So there you have it, guys. Just got one of these. I'll make some subsequent videos when I upgrade it and things like that. So there you have it. Have a good one, everybody. Ciao.